Welcome back. As discussed before the break, we are now going to be joined by the third beautiful Sen, Riya Sen. Hello, third beautiful Sen. Welcome to the show. Please. रिया, आप दोनों के बीच में, आप दोनों जवान हैं, आप दोनों खूबसूरत हैं, आप एक ही इंडस्ट्री में हैं, क्या बहुत सारे राइवलरीज होते हैं आप दोनों के बीच में?
Not at all.
No, the rivalries are just when people ask us, you know, whether we're rivals, but I think they really want us to be rivals, but we're more like best friends. We're very close to each other. There's just
she does advise me a lot on a lot of things because I'm very laid back, and so I'm always taking her advice. She gets fed up sometimes, but I think we consult each other on our films, and we're very close now. When we were young, we were like not that close.
I
but
think
I think
there are some terrible fights which go on sometimes
Yeah,
in the
those
house.
are like
and this is
sisterly
not
fights.
from
Nothing
the
to
puppies.
do
nothing to do with our
films.
films.
Well, there's no professional rivalry. क्या rivalries इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि आप दोनों का इमेज जो है बहुत ही अलग है. आपका इमेज बहुत गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर जैसा है और आपका बहुत ही सेक्सी एंड ग्लैमरस है. शायद इसलिए rivalries नहीं, आपको अलग-अलग किस्म के
We
रोल्स
get
मिलते हैं.
different films, different roles. So I think, but even if we do get the same kind of films, I don't think we'll be jealous of each other because why would we compete with each other when there's so many other girls over there to compete with? I don't think there's any competition as of now
Come on,
between
tell
the
the
both
truth.
of
If
us.
she got a nice film with Abhishek Bachchan with a big banner like, you know.
I'd definitely be jealous, but I won't like, you know, like I would want her to do it. I would want her to do well in it, be there. But there's no.
No, in fact, when we first get an offer, whether it's her or me, we tell each other about it, and we're really happy for each other. And of course, we wish that we would also get an offer like that, but I guess we're okay with the kind of offers we get.
But the fact is your images are very different. Almost like you've been given tags. इस industry में tags बहुत use किया जाता है. Munmun, what do you think about the system of tagging people? Do you think that actresses like your daughter are versatile, or do you think that tags work well because it defines the kind of roles you do in cinema?
I've never been able to understand the tag because down south she's done a film with Bharti Raja where she has this little jura and you know she's terribly Indian looking. Kerala she did something, Kerala dress, and then in Bombay of course she's terribly glamorous. I suppose it's according to the dictates, and if 2 or 3 of your films are hits or you know run well according to that image, that's what you're stuck with. I mean, it's like I don't really want to do a mother's role because I know I'll be doing them till forever.
Well, she doesn't want to work anymore on films, but does she work on giving you advice in your films?
No one takes it.
But you give it.
But mommy gives us
lots,
advice.
too much,
Yeah, what
all
kind
the
of advice?
time and
She gives us
nag.
advice all the time.
What kind of advice?
Advice on everything and anything.
Like what? Like what?
Like, I don't want to say it right now
No,
because
please say it. We're dying to know.
scared.
We're dying to know. What kind of advice? Come on, the good stuff. She
No,
gives
I'm
good
already
advice
like
too.
stumbling in my interview today because I'm scared, so I don't want to say anything. So let Raima say it. So
बहुत
that
डरी हुई है आपकी छोटी बहन. बहुत bold है.
But
बहुत.
she's not scared of my parents at all.
Oh my god, that's just like so not true because Raima's the one who's not scared at all. When there's a tantrum in the house, she's the only one who doesn't care. She does
she
her
really
own
doesn't
thing.
care.
She goes out, she comes back
But
whenever
she gets the
wants.
firings.
But I get all the firings because Riya doesn't listen.
I'm the only one who listens and that's
Mama,
why
does she listen?
Nobody listens. Nobody listens. She's physically
Okay,
there.
nobody
but-
listens, but what is the advice you give?
Oh, great advice.
lots of
Professional.
things,
A lot
not
which
one
she has
particular
followed.
A
thing
lot
that,
of
you know,
mommy keeps telling me about how I should like do my hair and my makeup and
especially her hair.
how I should look more glamorous and so mommy's like always, but I follow it sometimes, but
Are
She
you
only
happy with the
follows
hair
the
right
same
now?
advice that I give her.
Very happy
When
with my hair.
20 other people will give it to her, people who have nothing to do with films or not her fans, you know, just any old person will say, Raima, do this. And Mummy said it 50 times before, so then Raima go and do it.
रामा हमें ये बताइए कि आपकी माँ ने आपको best piece of advice क्या दिया है?
best piece of advice. My parents are very, they let us do what we want to do. They let us make our choices ourselves. She advises us on a lot of things. I think they're all good advice, but
What is the best piece of
I
advice
don't
John
remember any one particular advice, but everything that my mother or my father says is we remember everything, and eventually we do will end up following what they tell us.
Munmun, आपकी राय में, what is the one piece of advice you have given them that they have followed that has worked in their benefit?
I think the most important thing I've tried to teach them is to be nice with everyone. Be very, very nice because it pays off in the long run when you're not working, and you land up with a lot of acquaintances and friends.
What is that funny quote? Be careful of whose feet you tread on. Be connected to the butt you have to kiss tomorrow.
I mean, many butts to kiss. No, not really that, but just be nice because it's everyone else in the industry, if we're talking about industry, who really teaches you how to grow up in the industry. You can't do it alone.
And what about acting talent? Do you think that your daughters would be able to live up to the legend that your mother has created?
Oh, I hope not. I hope not, because I haven't seen any actress in Bengal live up to the legend that my mother created. So I can't see me or them living up to that legend.
आप दोनों को क्या लगता है? क्या आप दोनों को लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर है आप दोनों पर to live up to your grandmother's legendary status?
I've done a lot of Bengali films where initially they did like expect a lot from me, and there's a lot of comparison, and people would just come up to me and say, oh, you must act like your grandmother. And but I think after doing few good films like Chokher Bali and Parinita and Nishi Japon, I think people now have accepted me as me. So I think now it's a little less in Calcutta.
Does it ever occur to you कि forget live up to it, मुझे surpass करना है? क्या आपके अंदर वो fire है?
No, I don't think I can. I just want to do good work and be known as a good actress.
What about you, Ria? Do you have that fire to surpass your grandmother's acting prowess, or?
No, I really admire my grandmother and my mother and my sister, but I'm very happy the way I am. I wouldn't like die to do a role or something, but I would like to. And if it comes my way, I would give it my 100%. But I'm very happy with the way things are going for me, and it's a bit slow, but I've been working for a long time, and I don't see myself running away from it very soon.
हमें और बहुत सारी बातें करनी हैं about the generations in films, the Sen generation in films, but after a short break. So stay tuned, because after this break we're going to discuss a lot more with the three very lovely Sens. Stay tuned.